about what you're putting in. All your hopes and efforts are all in vain. Who will pick you up when you've lost everything? Does it all become for granted with a wedding ring?
Because I finally feel that it's okay to finally take my block service out.
Pack up all your things when you're finally done. Call me up, sweet mama, we'll run. 'Cause oh, what a way to live a life. Living in pain and fear as a wife. I said next time he hurts you, I'll know
It's my 20th anniversary.
that time will be the last he ever hurt you. Well, all you Or you know it's real. I can't change the way you, but oh, what a way to live a life. Living in pain and fear as a wife. I said next time he hurts you, I'll know that time will be the last he ever hurts you again.
Just trying to work out the parking for the other methodology going back to school now. You're not going to have enough slots. And I said, well, I'll get a parking spot there. This is what's going to happen.
Well, you can't wait till it's too late. How much longer will you wait? Don't drown in what's around you, let it go. Won't you find your new surrounding? The man who loves you so. The man I know will treat you like you worth your weight in gold.
Hopefully you won't rise at 6 o'clock.
So what a way to spend a life, living in pain and fear as a wife. I said next time he hurts you, I'll know that time will be the last he ever hurts you again. He'll do it again, again and again.
But I know I would have loved her.
Man, I always had stories about the city life and the crazy nights. Figure I should probably give it a try. Maybe check it out, see what it's all about. But the traffic was fast and the money was slow. The people I met you never get to know. I kinda miss this place I used to live back home. 'Cause up here it's breakneck, paycheck, rat race, what's next? I'm tired of feeling like a small fish in a big pond. I think I'll go back where I came from, where everybody knows my name. My friend